Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my shop. Welcome to my channel. My name is Keith and I'm your host. Before we get started, class, how about the Pledge of Allegiance?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Peace! Peace! Amen.
Look at that. See, a job shop will bring you any kind of job. This happens to be a curl, a York 100-pound curl. Yeah, that thing is heavy. But in my prime, I could put 120 pounds over my head with two hands. But I had motivation. All right? I'm a couple days past my prime now, and this thing is heavy. In fact, actually, I think I carried it over something like this or whatever from the in-and-out bench. The guy carried it in from the vehicle. All right, so this is bent right about there, and it's bent because one of the members down at the local gym threw it, and when it landed, it tweaked one side of this. Okay, you got basically 50 pounds here and 50 pounds here. I don't think you really count the weight of the bar at all, so it gets to that amount of heft. All right, but I really stopped by today to let you know of a couple changes. All right, first off, many of you out there are already talking on other communities there. What happened to Keith's Facebook page? And I deleted my Facebook page. I was always limited to 5,000 friends on Facebook, and I have a lot more than 5,000 friends. So I switched up and I changed over to MeWe. All right, MeWe, Keith Fenner. Here's the link. All right, no ads, no targeting, no bullshit. All right, so I've made that change here in the last week. I also am going to change, and in the process of changing, and I'm adding Rumble, and I'm going to continue my video publications on Rumble. And it's Keith Fenner, Career, Hobbies, and Life. All right? Easy syndication, distributing, full transparency, DRM control, mobile applications, and CPMs, and all the other stuff just like YouTube. All right? So anyway, I'll be over there posting my videos, and you can catch up. And, here's the link so you can catch up. All right, I do have a couple new pieces of swag, and I went ahead and had T-Blasters, the storefront tier. You guys all know my store over there where you can get t-shirts and sweatshirts and the swag, clothing swag I have over there at the storefront tier. And I had masks made up. So I have two styles of masks. I have the Patriot Attitude and I have Walk the Talk. These masks are white and black, your choice, and you can pick these masks up there. And it's kind of it's something if you need to wear a mask and you want to wear a mask and you want to show that Patriot Attitude, or you want to say, hey, walk the talk, pick up your mask over at my place. It really helps out with motivation to continue on the videos and stuff. I'm not slowing down. I'm not giving up. There's some stuff called life that happens once in a while. I was on a pretty good roll, and I want to be on a roll again. I have stuff waiting to edit. I just got to wait for life to let me to get in there and edit it. I'm almost nearly finished on the fuel tanks and a couple other projects that I got going on here. So catch me on over to Rumble. Till then, get her done.